Da ka jing thmu ban Khyndailad bat pynitynnad ya ka Khyndailad usumbut menteri rangba ka jala ubakmi ya katanan penroi sor uba sengau bhalang thar ulapun bena basyan on pynpra no ya ka Iingdorbar thaw barim ka badan ha Khyndailad. Habak keren shakilat thai kubor hak arpo tarik nai wiang uba sengau bhalang ulaong ka jing thmu ban Khyndailad dore ki benta juga Khyndailad shaka jaka yai kejat na penbet ling ba ka jing ai jing mot lang na ki nong shong shnong ba ka jing pynitynnad ya ka jaka kalaya shakman. Ulo ong ru ba ka jing pen kre ya ka detailed project report DPR kala jandap artan bat na kala ka sorkar kan sa pentre kampura ya ka jing pynitynnad ya ka Khyndailad tat hadin bala penken riat no ya ka Iingdorbar shaka jaka ka batmai hamau diang diang. Ka DPR kan batai ha ka bayade ba ka jing thmu ban pynpra ya ka jing tei jong ka Iingdorbar barim bat ban shna no da ki jaka yai ka jong ki pai ba kilinti yai kejan jaka thong sentiu na lor ki weipan ulaong ka jing pen kre ya ka DPR kalaya shakman bat ka dei ka pynitynnad pha ya ka Iingdorbar barim on pynpra no kumbala thmu kataru ya ka bandang shimrai khnang ban shnai kilinti yai kejat ki pynitynnad baro ki download hak DPR ong uba sengau bhalang. Ya ki jing sengau kya balapun pau da ki nong shong shnong ladap ban bishar benia hak bak sorkar kala menjur ban plebet ya ki surak hak por badang yan ka jing pentre. Kila don ki nong shong shnong ki bakerpat engi baladai ngi khang ya ka surak kila banya kendu jing ngidang keren ban ingin penbet ya ka por hadin banak liang ka sorkar ki nong shong shnong kila menjur lang benrap uba sengau bhalang. Kat baha kabaya day bat ke MTC shopping mall ula ong prapasan haduk prapasan lala on pendap bat lakmi lenti ban pendap pura ya ka jingtai house nam uban wan.
Not pending, we are on the process of beautifying it. You know very well because even the old assembly is yet to shift to the new one. As soon as we should shift to the new one and we will go for the full beautification of the area. Is the DPR is under process as well.
That means you'll wait for the assembly.
Yeah, we have to because DPR has been prepared already and a very nice one. So maybe when everything is completed, when the data is built, you'll be able to see it even the website also.
So the entire assembly, old assembly will be
that
taken.
Oh. So when they shift there, we have to dismantle this as per plan. Not yet finalized, as per plan, and we have to make a nice walkway and the footpath and the parking down there. Everything is under DPR. So we cannot beautify only partly, no. We have to beautify all around the junction. That is the reason we are still discussing as well now. And differently, we will be beautify it. Planning to make it is a walking street also, you know. So in the meantime, some of the residents request us, if you close this road, you may face problems. So in the meantime, we are discussing with them. And when everything is clear, we are planning to change the tile. We are planning to make all these flower pots all along the thing. And even the timings we have to set with understanding both the resident and the government. That is the part towards the Biju cinema. And about the beautification in the areas, we have to wait when they all assembly office shift to the new assembly office. This like this, actually the target date of completion it should be by July next year. So hopefully let us wait till the actual date of completion is come, and only then I'll be able to highlight it. More than 80-85 I think. I'm not correct exact with me, but more than 80% is already completed. That is as per plan and discussed from the tourism department, not from urban. Let us see. I have to update from the tourism what is their plan.